Mastering Compassion, a love story's secret ingredient. Two hearts intertwine on a journey of love, teaching each other the art of compassion. Meet the couple, whose love story is not just about passion, but also about understanding and empathy. Watch as they navigate the challenges of life, their compassion for each other growing stronger with each hurdle overcome. See how they communicate, their words gentle and kind, even in disagreement. This is compassion in action. Witness their compassion in the moments of silence, in the tender touch, in every act of kindness. Discover how compassion strengthens their bond, making their love story an enduring one. Join us, learn from their journey, and allow compassion to be the secret ingredient in your love story too.